In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headset to MetaQuest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The MetaQuest 2 is compatible with various different models of headsets. As long as you can establish a physical connection between them, you will be able to use them without any issues. I'm also going to be talking about the option of doing a Bluetooth connectivity in this video, and I'm going to list the advantages and disadvantages of doing this. But first, let's talk about a wired connection, which is what they recommend. The MetaQuest 2 will support both 3.5mm headsets and also USB-C. So regardless of which option you have available, you will be able to use them. All that you have to do is establish the physical connection like I mentioned, primarily through this port here, the USB-C port. If your headset has a USB-C cable, it's as simple as plugging it in through this port. So you establish a physical connection between the MetaQuest 2 using this port and your headset. And there is no need to download any additional tools or go over to the settings. Immediately upon connecting the headset, it is going to be recognizable and all of the audio being output on the MetaQuest will be broadcast on your new headset that you connected. Now, alternatively, you might also have to use one of these adapters. So this is a USB-C to 3.5mm connector adapter from Google. Yours does not have to be from Google. There are plenty of different brands that make this. You can find them all over places like Amazon, AliExpress, and so on. But basically, if you have a 3.5mm headset connection, then you use this port. And as long as you establish a connection, you are good to go. Like I said, there's no need to download anything. Now, while you can use Bluetooth compatible headsets, this is not recommended. There is a lot of latency introduced. The main advantage is that you will be able to use them completely wirelessly, but because of the latency, the experience is quite poor, so I would not recommend this unless it is the only option that you have available. In that case, if you want to use Bluetooth compatible headphones or headsets, you have to put them into pairing mode and go over to the device settings on your MetaQuest 2, and in there you will find the option to pair new devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headset to MetaQuest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.